Make a great choice today with the 2018 Jeep Renegade. The Jeep Renegade offers full-size capability built in a smaller SUV. The Jeep Renegade is an incredible combo of smart technology, cool colors, and innovative materials. It has a capable command center with the tools you need for discovering everything that's out there. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, turbocharged, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, four-wheel disc brakes, tire pressure monitor. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.